Oh, it's windy. Okay. Oh my god! I see you there. Oh my god. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to ride on the skateboard and everything. I'm a professional 101. I'm gonna be like I'm a female as well, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna teach you how to ride a skateboard. Let's get your skateboards, alright? First, you get your skater shoes on. As you can see, I got a hole right there because I do tricks.
The mind of a master. I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but.
Next, you get your Brockhampton t-shirt. It can't be fake or anything. You gotta be authentic, all right? This is Brockhampton. Link in the bio. So today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to stand on a skateboard, right? So you get one leg on, get the other one leg on. And then you get one of the other legs and you push. Make sure to look where you're going. You can't be like that. That was rule number 1. That's a mistake. Next of all, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to, do a simple trick. It's called an ollie or whatever, Oh wait. I've been doing this for years, I swear. So the trick is to do that, to lift your leg up, like kick it, and then jump as well. So it has to look like this in slow motion. I'm gonna slow it down for you, but if I can, because I'm bad at editing, yeah, look down. Alright, I'll do it again. So now that you got your ollie down, I'm going to teach you how to do a switch. So I'm going to teach you how to do a switch flip. So you got your skateboard, you place it down like this. Okay, bear with me. I haven't done this in like a week. Okay, we get it. And that's how you do a switch up, okay? I'm gonna teach you how to do a manny. So come with me. With a manny, you gotta hold it down and you balance life out. You gotta think of pure thoughts. So come run with me, yeah?
Voy a cerrarlos bajo la tierra. Nadie va a comer y de hambre morirán. Madre, quiero saber en verdad quién soy yo. Y sí, tal vez tengo un síndrome que alguien traiga.
So once you got your skating down, you just gonna come on out. So you see this beautiful, beautiful country? Once you get your ollie and manny and everything down, this is what the world should look like in your life. So much peace, so much beauty, That is the life we're trying to live. These are all my fucking beautiful friends, all the love and positivity that they have. Like, that's the thing that I love. I'm grateful to be here, and I'm gonna teach you how to kickflip and ollie over this little staircase. You wanna teach them how to look at that? Thank you, cameraman. So if you look at it from here, with God by my side, I can do anything my eyes. They are set and it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna teach you a little trick by the sunset. If you wanna look over there, that's the Eiffel Tower over there. That's beautiful, come on. So this next trick is like, dragging it and going on it. Should look a little bit like this. So how I did this complex trick is that I ran, but I jumped and I landed on my skateboard all at the same time. It's so hard, but I'll just show you one more time. Drag. That's how it should be done. So I'm gonna teach you how to do a kickflip over on this side. If you wanna come here, cameraman. Gotta got your shawty by your side over here, they give you love and inspiration and everything, Alright, get off. Come on. This is a kickflip. Don't die, honey. You gonna kill yourself. We not trying to live like that. I can freaking skate too. Wow, he's really mastered the art of standing on it. Congratulations.
Era oh.
Guys, this is one of my students. She's learning for the first time. Show them what I taught you. Whoa, that was a sick ollie, dude. Whoa, that was so cool, bro.
Oh wait, which one's the?
Yeah. So it's like an ollie, but you flip it as well. It's kind of complex, okay, guys?
Please hurry up! I just want to take a.
Wait, I can't get it up. God is with me, so thank you guys for like joining in on this, you know, special tutorial. Special tutorial. This is goodbye from me and Seattle.
Seattle.
Thank you. Subscribe.